Khan, and up again with a new video. And in this video we're going to talk about some bizarre groups of animals. We're going to talk about the terms that are used for those groups of animals. So let's start with the video and let's talk about the first bird. And a murder of crows. A group of crows is known as the murder of crows. Quite unusual name it is. Quite dangerous as well. The second one is a group of owls is known as a parliament of owls. So a parliament of owls, right? You see in the picture these two owls are looking quite happy, but it is quite unusual in the parliament because most of the parliamentarians, what I found, are quite sad and unhappy. So let's talk about the third animal, that's the wildebeest. So a group of wildebeest is known as a confusion of wildebeest. So this wildebeest is looking quite confused, I think looking for water in the forest. The third we're going to talk about, wow, this is a conspiracy of lemurs. So group of lemurs is known as a conspiracy of lemurs. I don't know what they are conspiring against, but these four lemurs are looking quite alert. I don't know why. Might be they're caught conspiring against somebody. Now, the next one is a gaggle of geese. Why? These birds are so majestic, they always giggle. So I think that's why they've been given the name a gaggle of geese. A group of geese, a gaggle of geese. Great. Now the next one we're going to talk about is a dazzle of zebras. Wow, these zebras are really shining in the sunshine of the Africa, I guess. So, well, a group of zebras is known as a dazzle of zebras. Next we have a tower. Wow, we have an Eiffel Tower. Now we have a group of giraffes is known as a tower of giraffes. So these are really the tallest animals on the planet, I guess. So they are really tall, and it's a great collective noun to denote these animals. So the next one we have, wow, it is the destruction of cats. Well, these cats are at homes. No, these are the wild cats. We know, these wild cats are known as in a group destruction. I hope they do not destruct the things. The next one is a business. Wow, these business. So these ferrets, a group of these ferrets is known as a business of ferrets. It is something unusual, and I think this is one thing that is gonna be quite astounding to know, because the business of these ferrets, a group of ferrets, is known as business. The next one we have, oh wow, we have apes. I think we resemble apes. We're the glorified monkeys, and a group of apes is known as the shrewdness of apes. The next one we have a knot. Well, this toad is looking quite schemy, something planning and looking like a don or a gang man. So yes, a group of toads is known as a knot of toads. A knot of toads. The next one, wow, we have rats. A group of rats is known as a mischief of rats. They're quite mischievous indeed. Well, these meerkats, a group of meerkats is known as a gang of meerkats. Well, they're so united, and they're so friendly, sticking to each other in such coziness. Well, so these were the most astounding and bizarre groups of animals that I found on the internet, and that I found quite shareable that I could share with people. So let us end this video with a quotation that can make a difference in your life. So the quotation is by Carl Sagan, and Carl Sagan says, "We make our world significant by the courage of our questions and the depth of our answers." And indeed it is great, because yes, we need some courage to question. Yes, the question must be courageous, as well as the questioner must be courageous in the present times. So this is what we're ending upon, and I think you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe it, and if you don't, I don't persist you. Thank you, everyone.